It's the evening of July 7. Today was a traveling day for me, but I am in Manning Park. I'm so excited. I've driven through here many times, but I've never stopped and camped and explored. So I'm going to be spending a few days here. And since it's in the evening, I'm going to be doing just a few short trails right now. So I'm on the Canyon Nature Loop Trail. It's a 2-kilometer trail. And I'll see if I get another one in yet, because it looks like it might be raining soon. Such gorgeous lupins. They're different than the kind that I have at home, like the wild ones where I live. Spectacular. This is the Similkameen River. Roadblock. Lots of roadblocks. Oh wow, makes it fun. Definitely an obstacle course trail. I am in my glory. What I needed after a long day of driving. I wish you could smell the air. It is fantastic. You know, I'm only mildly concerned that I might not have brought enough food with me to stay here for very long, but I'm not too worried. But the comforting thing is that Jesus says He is the bread of life, and whoever comes to Him will never hunger. I cling to that. At the Last Supper, Jesus took bread and broke it and blessed it, and then gave it to His disciples and said, "Take, eat, this is my body." Cold Spring Campground connects to this trail, but it's not the campground I'm staying at. My campground is Mule Campground, and it has flush toilets on it. This one does not. And running water, mine has. So it costs $25 a night. And this Cold Spring one costs $23 a night. So I think that's $2 well spent. When Jesus taught the disciples how to pray in the Lord's Prayer, He said, "Give us this day our daily bread." Do you get it? Maybe He wasn't just talking about physical food. Maybe He was talking about Himself, that we should ask to have Jesus in our life daily. Something fun to think about. Now I'm on the Rein Orchid Trail. It's just a 1/2 kilometer loop trail. I would love to see some orchids on here. If the Rein Orchid is the bog orchid, I saw a few of them. Lots of Cornus canadensis and Queen's Cup. If this evening is any indication of what I'm going to be seeing these next few days, I am so excited. I hope you will stay tuned. I'm going to be making a movie for each day that I'm here, instead of one long movie for the whole time. So what is preventing you from giving your life to Jesus and letting Him be your daily bread? Well, until my next epic adventure, assalamu alaikum, shalom, peace.